Jing, paano para mas madaling pumulot yung buhok, lalo na kung talagang very straight?
Your hair has to be very healthy so that na-achieve natin yung tamang curls, the precise type of curls that we want from your hair. So you have to keep your hair healthy all the time. Avoid exposing the sun a lot.
Yun!
Too much products on your hair or using too much treatments. So talagang...
Ay, hindi ko nakuha si Bon dyan. Tagal ng camera ko.
Okay. Siyempre, di ba gusto nga
Oh my God, si Cheryl na naman.
mapagay sa okasyon at sa shape ng mukha ng klaseng curls. We have now, ito, sa ating first model, we have Wendy. Okay, Hector? At anong klaseng curl meron si Wendy?
Ang tawag dyan ay spiral or small curls.
Okay, paano yung ginagawa?
Okay, so ang ginagawa ni Hector ngayon is he's twisting the hair tightly. And the type of twist na yun, he tightly rolls it inward on the rod until the rod is fully covered from tip to end. Halimbawa, na-apply na yung mousse. If with mousse, if the hair has mousse, for
Parang ganyan talaga
8
sila.
hours.
Gel is okay?
Ay, sorry.
Di ba siya sticky, magiging sticky?
Actually, wax is sticky.
Alright, okay.
So even with gel, it will look natural on your hair naman.
Sa anong shape ng mukha perfect yung ganitong klase ng curl?
For any shape of the face,
Yung face ni
it
Wendy.
would suit naman.
Any particular occasion na mas bagay ito kumpara sa ibang klase ng curl?
This curl is kind of outgoing, so it would definitely fit for a party.
Yung bang, yung first na nailagay natin kanina ba? Can we show it to our viewers? Kung achieve natin yung ganung curl? How do you call that again? The black tape?
The rod.
The rod. Ayun na, curly na siya.
Okay.
Next is, ito, parang pareho kami. Ha? Nang look ni Banji, yung curl
Si
niya.
Banji naman.
Okay. Ano naman ang tawag sa curl na to?
Tawag dyan ay medium curls.
Medium curls.
Yes.
Alright. Paano ginagawa ito?
So, ngayon, just twisting the hair loosely. So, unlike kanina kasi medyo tight yung twist niya. Ito, medyo loose na siya. So, and then, tightly roll it outward on the rod. So, we want to add more volume to the hair para mas maging radiant yung look ng face. Her face is actually ideal in terms of shape. So, mas magandang i-emphasize natin yung shape of her face.
Yung face.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Alright. So, anong pwedeng hair products din na pwedeng ilagay para mas tumagal yung curl?
Aside sa mousse, pwede natin lagyan nga ng gel at saka spray na. Or spray na. Pero yung wax kasi, it would look sticky kasi. It doesn't look natural.
But do you put the product like hairspray before or after? After. Pag hairspray, after.
Hairspray.
Okay. And then, pag bago mo siya i-curl, mousse or gel is ideal.
Yes.
So, ano yung hairspray muna tsaka mo?
Yes.
Masusunog po ang inyong buhok. And then, next is icy.
Ay, si
Tawag dyan ay beach waves or
Uchi, no?
Beach
big
wave.
curls.
Big curls. Ayan. Okay.
So,
I see
take
daw.
a section of the hair, and then hindi mo na kailangang i-twist yung hair unlike the other two. You brush it upwards para mamaya, pagbaba, it will just fall naturally.
Tsaka napansin ko mas malaki yung rod.
Yes,
Diba?
mas malaki yung rod din na ginamit natin. Para ma-achieve natin yung big curl. So, same as the second one, just have to overlap the curls.
Okay, saan naman bagay yung ganitong look?
It's ideal for everyday look. Pwede yan during work or something. It's up to your look.
Oo nga naman maganda yung curls. Pero ano ba ang nagagawa nito sa isang babae compared doon
Tipid
sa
nila, no?
talagang flat and straight lang yung hair?
Sa Asian hair, actually, it's very ideal. It adds more volume. It emphasizes the face, the shape of the face. That's why this is also ideal for long and oval face. That's why it makes you look
malayo.
it makes you look beautiful. Kasi mas na-emphasize yun sa face natin.
Thank you, Laika, for joining us this morning.
You're welcome. You can find us at Galleria, Gateway,
Yeah, nakalimutin!
Vivere Salon. Mga kapatid, that's our beauty instructional for today. Iba't ibang curl styles, hindi lamang para sa iba't ibang okasyon, kundi pati
Ay,
na rin
pinapangiti sila.
babagay sa shape ng inyong mukha. Up next, pag-usapan natin ang sweet scent of success ng perfume business na ihahatid sa atin, walang iba kundi si Mamutin, sa pagbabalik ng Good Morning Club.
Pipinsan yan.